Hi, my name is Marcus. Welcome to part 1 out of 8 in our CEED Basics video series for aspiring intraday traders. In this first little video, we will answer the question, why do I need a trading plan in the first place? Let's get to it. Welcome to Unit 011 on why do I need a trading plan? The overall purpose of the plan is to give you clarity, confidence, and consistency. The first pillar of the plan is to provide you with clarity of your business purpose. The trading plan specifies the concrete opportunity that you see in the market. Be as specific as possible when defining measurable processes, desired outcomes, and a feedback mechanism to see whether your assumptions are still valid to produce the desired results. This will provide you with the framework for protecting you from behavioral biases creeping into your decision-making process. The second pillar is to build confidence in your business process. Having clearly defined your business purpose in step 1 allows you to have confidence in your business process and remove confusion from your thinking. Your overall process should be objective, testable, and repeatable. The goal is to continuously improve existing processes and take corrective action if needed. Your journaling process should focus on process breakdowns, such as breaking risk management rules. The final step would be to identify their cause and find a solution. The third pillar is to have consistency in your business outcomes. Having objective, testable, and repeatable processes enables you to properly assess the consistency of your trading results and remove the pressure of long periods of large drawdowns as a result. The trading plan is a contract with yourself to produce a desired outcome. To implement it by yourself can be difficult. Joining an accountability group of like-minded people such as CEED.trading will signal to you and others that you're committed to success, and it will also give you social motivation. Setting up Ulysses contracts may help eliminate process breakdowns and motivate you to stick to the plan and keep the promise of success you made to yourself. In this unit, you learned why it is important to have a trading plan because clarity of purpose, confidence in your business process, and consistency of your business outcomes are the basic building blocks to your success. It is a contract with yourself that will hold you accountable for your actions. In the next unit, we will answer the 5 W's and the how of a trading plan. If you found the contents of this video helpful, please hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. You can also visit us at CEED.trading.com to find out how you can improve your trading even more. See you there.